Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to take a look at how the PickField node works. We've already seen how the getAllImage node works, which is supposed to retrieve all the images on a site. So if we run it, we see that we have a list containing a total of 12 images, 12 links. And if we go back to the overview, we see that the getAllImage node returns a single object. But what we'd like is to have a list, specifically a list of 12 items, to iterate through that list and download the image for each item. That's where the PickField node comes in. It allows us to select a specific attribute of an object and extract it, which will give us the list we need. So, for example, the input node, which is the getAllImage node, provides us with an object that has an image attribute. The image attribute contains a list of text strings, and these strings represent links to images. Therefore, the field path we'll target is simply image, and we'll set the output field name to src. When we run this, we see that we get a list of 13 items, and each item is an object with a src attribute, which contains the URL we need. If we go back to the graphical view, we see that we currently have 13 elements, which is exactly what we wanted and will allow us to iterate over each of these elements and download them. All right, that's all for this video. See you in the next video, where we'll look at how the download as image node works.